So Rita Bahuguna Joshi of the Congress Party, Kamal Farooqui of the Samajwadi Party, political analyst, and Jay Narayan Vyas is they're going to be joining us in a minute, and Pinky Anand of the BJP. Mr. Kamal Farooqui, you know, there's a state government inquiry on. What more do you want? There's a state government inquiry on now, unless you want to completely politicize it. What do you want?
No, there's no question of politicizing the whole thing. There is no question of politicizing the whole thing, but the fact of the matter is that it has crossed the state boundaries. It has gone beyond Gujarat. The lady has travelled outside the state. So it becomes a pan-national issue. And I personally feel, though Mr. Shinde has not yet said in so many words, but if the Honorable President has referred the petition from the NGO...
No. So you are saying, you are saying who was tapped outside Gujarat? Who was being tapped? You're saying the lady was being tapped outside Gujarat?
The lady has been, the lady has been followed in the aircraft when she reached over there. Even there is also, all these reportings are there by the media.
Followed in aircraft or tapped?
One second.
Was her phone tapped? Rita Bahuguna Joshi, was her phone tapped? Was she put on surveillance? Do you have proof of that? Where is the proof?
I want to say that if the tapes, the audio tapes that have become public now are in the public domain, if they are true, yes, she was traveling outside Gujarat and she was being followed, she was under surveillance all through by all the agencies of the government of Gujarat, and the worst by the anti-terror squad. Now the country wants to know, after all, what was the urgency of putting the anti-terror squad, which is there to defend the country from terrorism, behind a woman who was under surveillance for what reason?
Ms. Joshi,
we want to know the reason.
No, Ms. Joshi, you are saying that the Gujarat Home Secretary is not empowered to order the tapping of the phone of this person outside the state of Gujarat. That's your basic point, right? Pinky Anand, she's actually right.
Yes.
A Gujarat Home Secretary can order the tapping of the phone inside the borders of Gujarat.
Within the state.
Now you tell me which rule. Tell me, Pinky Anand, under which rule was surveillance done in multiple states? You answer, Rita Bahuguna Joshi.
You know what I like about Rita Bahuguna Joshi's statement is to say, if the tapes are correct.
Yeah.
So, can we start from somewhere, Arnab, to say the situation? You start from a premise that you do not take the authenticity of the tapes to be correct. Even Rita Bahuguna Joshi says, if it is correct. So therefore, we should first start with the mandate of saying, if the tapes are correct, and then go for the next position. We can't go by hypothesis after hypothesis. The State Commission appointed...
No, but we are a society governed by the rule of law.
Arnab, the rule of law says that please first get into the situation where you have the first fact clear.
No, but privacy is an integral part. Privacy is an integral part of the right of a part of individual liberty. Privacy.
Exactly. Whose privacy, first of all? Secondly, if the first premise is not correct or not authenticated, rule of law says you must proceed one at a time. It is like saying, if somebody has murdered whereas there is no murder in the first place, you can't assume a lot of features and then start on to the next and then talk about rule of law. Arnab,
no, of course not, but I'm quoting.
Arnab,
I think
one of the mandates of the commission is specifically to go into the authenticity of the tapes. If you first get that proposition, then maybe
I will just read out.
Might follow. Otherwise, there is no question of that in any case. Secondly, you cannot start a witch hunting.
What is a witch hunting?
Witch hunting by the process at the BS. I'll tell you where the witch hunting is. You can't start the witch hunting on the premise again.
Kamal Farooqui is rebutting you.
Saying something has been done.
Kamal Farooqui is rebutting you.
We do not want any intervention by the media. Where are you going?
First of all, Mr. Arnab, kindly correct me if I am wrong. It is not the commission, it is the committee. It is the committee which has been appointed by the
government. You are totally wrong.
It is not the commission.
It is a commission under the Commission of Inquiries Act.
If I am wrong,
please get your facts correct. It is not a committee.
Which is only recommendatory, which is not binding on anyone. Which is only recommendatory and not binding on anyone.
Yes. And that too by a junior officer of the same state government.
Sure.
Secretary.
But that's not what we are talking about.
Officer to be changed, somebody you like, in comparison to what you were saying should be a junior officer. The question is, you have a High Court judge, you have an officer of the Gujarat government, and incidentally, it will always be somebody junior or senior or a colleague. So you will always have some implication or the other to say. You have a commission under the Act.
So what do you have something to hide?
It is a fact-finding body.
Which is going to give
but
Pinky Anand, basic question is, basic question is, and this question is going to be asked to Jay Narayan Vyas. Mr. Vyas, welcome. To put it very simply, don't mind, is there something to hide? If you presume, yes or no? First of all, let's get a clear answer. Do you have anything to hide? Mr. Vyas, can you hear me? Do you have anything to hide?
Yeah, I don't think Arnab, see, the issues are different.
No, do you have something to
The
hide?
issues are different. You know,
Do you have anything to hide?
Absolutely not.
Absolutely not. Then tell me. Okay,
Absolutely
fine.
not.
Fine. Then when
Arnab,
surveillance has been, no, allow me.
Arnab, I may qualify.
Allow me.
Let me
Why
qualify my
qualify?
statement.
Allow me.
Let me qualify my statement.
Why are you
I am
qualifying?
saying so?
Why? You're looking
where
nervous.
This is going to come under scrutiny. Number one, Pradeep Sharma has moved the Honorable Apex Court of this country, where he is quoting the similar complaint.
Mr. Vyas.
Now,
Mr.
number
Vyas,
two is
no,
the-
Mr. Vyas,
yeah.
you're going to, I'll tell you something. I warn you, Mr. Vyas, you're going to tie yourself up in knots on the news hour tonight. Because you as a lawyer,
No, there is no problem.
when
That
you
are
as a
known for
lawyer,
that.
when you as a lawyer try to deflect the law in your reading of the law, then you're going to tie yourself up in knots, because you know more than anyone else on the panel that since the State Home Secretary is empowered to order tapping of the phones within a state, in this case surveillance is done in multiple states, permission of the Union Home Secretary was mandatory. In such a scenario, isn't it well within the domain of the central government and Sushil Kumar Shinde to intervene? Because it's not limited to Gujarat.
Arnab, you are now walking into my domain.
You are
willingly.
deep within my domain, and I can answer the question.
Let
Yes.
me first tell you that the very debate that you are making is relying upon something which is yet required to be established.
There, you have the same line of argument as Pinky Anand. That's the only argument both of you have.
The very people, understand, let
A
me
logical
complete,
argument,
Arnab.
Arnab can follow from
No
anybody.
disturbance, please. Let me complete. No argument should be interfered, please.
You're tying yourself up in
You know,
knots.
you have read that qualifying, you have read that disclaimer. You have read that disclaimer that we don't vouch for the authenticity of this material. Now the material authenticity of which in itself is a big question mark.
Sir, I ask
That is
you.
the first question mark that will have to
Sir,
be
I ask
cleared.
you. No,
Number
then Amit Shah
Number
should
two,
come
you
out
ask
and
me-
say it's not my
you
voice.
ask me after I complete.
No, where's Amit Shah? Where is Amit Shah?
When I complete.
Where is Amit Shah? Why doesn't he say it's
Wherever
not my voice?
Wherever he is comfortable.
What do you mean comfortable? He has to tell us if it's not his voice. Why is he hiding from that? Let's have a voice
Comfortable
recognition
like any
test.
Citizen of this country.
Rita Bahuguna Joshi, should we have a voice recognition test? Will that help?
Absolutely, have you got that?
No, do it.
My question is to you, have you got that?
Have you denied it?
test?
Have you
Have you
denied
got
it?
that FSL
My
report?
question, have you denied
let
it?
us say-
Rita
let
Bahuguna
me-
Joshi debating you
No,
now. Miss Joshi.
Till such time.
Miss Joshi to Jai
Okay,
Narendra.
I have just two, three
You are
Two-
related
Rita Bahuguna
points
Joshi
to
first.
ask.
You are on a
Jai
weak
Narendra.
wicket now.
One.
Arnab,
See, we have
precisely
related
you are on a
questions,
weak wicket.
please.
You are precisely
You-
on a weak wicket.
Pinky Anand
you are-
came
you are
up.
on a- you are on a-
Pinky Anand ji came with
You
up with an
now listen
argument.
to Miss Joshi
that
of the
there's
Congress
already
Party.
a commission.
One second, Miss Joshi.
I want to ask
Miss
this
Joshi,
very
please.
question that in public
How it
life,
will happen?
if a public face
That just cannot happen.
is brought into the dock for certain reasons, he always says, "I'm prepared for any inquiry." Now, the silence of Mr. Amit Shah, the silence of Mr. Narendra Modi, who is very vocal on every issue in his public meetings, on this particular issue, certainly creates doubts. And the hurry with which they set up a commission clearly indicates that they want to get over this embarrassment. Now, as far as commission goes,
what a
Ms. Pinky Anand,
distortion.
please remember that in 2002,
What a
the government
distortion.
hurriedly had set up the Shah Commission. And what happened? They gave a clean chit.
Absolutely.
And finally, the Apex Court said that the findings of the
Weird
Shah
argument.
Commission were not based on appreciation of evidence, but on imagination. And then they hurriedly brought in another member in the commission, which made no
Arnab,
difference.
can I come
So
in?
we doubt. You see, there can be no
Arnab,
fair. There can be no fair
I'm shocked.
investigation
Congress is
by a
talking this.
commission
Congress
of
is
members
talking
who have
this.
closely
Congress,
worked with
where
Mr.
their
Amit
sitting
Shah and with
finance
the government.
minister.
So please,
1 minute.
please let
Finance
us
minister and the
understand
present
this is
president
only a
of this
Modi
country.
save.
He
Modi
complained
saving
about bugging his
commission.
cabin.
And I'm asking
The
you one
finance
question.
minister called
Why
Pranab
are you
Mukherjee.
objecting? Why
His
are you
cabin was bugged.
objecting?
He complained to the Prime Minister.
foreign-
What have you done to that? You have got no moral
Why
authority
don't
to talk
you
on
allow-
these issues.
Why don't you allow the judge
Congress
of the
has
Supreme
absolutely
Court,
no moral authority
Supreme
to
Court,
talk on this
to
issue.
take
This
up
is
the
rubbish.
matter?
This
We
is
are
not
only asking
established.
for an inquiry.
This is something
by a
which is
Supreme
not
Court
established.
judge. You
This
are
is out
scared
of your imagination
because
you are
there
talking.
there are doubts. Your leaders are not coming up.
This is absolutely
Neither Mr.
rubbish.
Shah
It is not
speaking,
established.
nor Modi ji
And-
speaking. He
and
speaks on
this
every
doesn't
issue.
deserve.
Why does
Under
he say
the
that these
Evidence
tapes
Act,
are
whether
false?
this will be taken
And
as a valid
what
evidence
is
as
the
it
reference?
is a big
What-
question mark.